Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video I am going to share with you a text-to-speech model which I enjoyed working in the previous versions. As you can see on the screen, we covered the previous version a couple of weeks ago, and the model became so popular and the response is so good that the creators have come up with a new version. And the new version is not only multilingual, it supports more languages, it is more performant. And in this video I am going to show you how you can get it installed locally, and we will also generate speech from the text by using this model all local. Look at the size of the model. The model is quite small, so let me take you there to the Hugging Face card of the model, and I will drop the link to it in video description. So this version, which is a 0.2 version, is just 500 million parameters. That's it. You can run it on CPU or you can run it on commodity GPU. It is specially geared towards the mobile devices or the edge devices. So you can build a lot of apps with it. Sky is the limit there. Now, this model is not only very performant, but also this is an improved successor to the previous release. This model maintains the same approach of using audio prompts without architectural changes to the foundation model itself. It has been built upon the celebrated Qwen 2.5 billion model, which is a text model but amazing model, and we already have covered it on the channel. This version was trained on larger and more diverse data sets that has resulted in significant improvement across all aspects of performance. Now, before I show you more, let me also give a huge thanks to our good friends at Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Before we start the installation, just few more words on this model. This model produces more natural and fluid speech synthesis. It has been trained on over 5 billion audio prompts token. It has got improved voice cloning capabilities with greater diversity and accuracy. And as I mentioned earlier, besides of English, it has got support for Japanese, Chinese, and Korean languages. Plus, it adheres to the prompt quite nicely, and output coherence is also quite good. So that is a small intro to the model. Let me take you to my terminal and we will start installing it. This is my Ubuntu 22.04 and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Mast Compute. Let me create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let me install some of the audio libraries for Ubuntu, which are libport audio. If you're on Windows, make sure that you install PyAudio. Let's wait for it to get installed. And by the way, you see that I'm installing PyAudio with Anaconda. That is why I use Anaconda, because it keeps everything in one place. And that is done. We also need to install few other things like Torch Audio, Pillow, Accelerate, Decode, NumPy, Sentence Piece. Let's wait for it to get installed. This is going to take 3 to 4 minutes. And while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. You can use their Python SDK to run your queries in production using Playwright, and you can use their browser-based debugger. It uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure and to find the data you are looking for. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I will just wait for this one to get finished. And that is all done. Next up, the good thing is that they have also provided us a pip package with OuteTTS. So I'm just installing it, and that shouldn't take too long. And that is all done. Next, let's launch our Jupyter notebook. And now let's download our model and configure it. So we're importing that library and getting the model. So it is going to download the model. As you can see, it is working at the moment. So let's wait. And you can ignore these warnings. So if I quickly scroll down, the model size is just under 1 gig. How good is that? Let's wait for it. And the model is all downloaded. Let me show you the inference. So all we are doing it, we are specifying the default speaker. You can even specify your own, but I'm just going to go with the default one. And then this is a text which we want to convert into synthesized speech. So I'm just saying happiness is a gentle peace that fills the soul. It's a joy that makes life's beauty shine. And then we are setting some of the temperature, and the more lower the value of temperature will be, between 0 and 1, if it would be closer to 0, it will be more deterministic. And then we are just setting the context length, or max output is 4096, and then we are saving the output. So let me run it, and it has produced the response. So let me go down. You see, because we were printing here all the default speakers, so it is just giving us that information, that for English there are 6 speakers, for Japanese 4 speakers, male, female, and all that stuff, for Korean and for this Chinese. And then these are the speakers, but I have just gone with the male one, and it has created the audio. Let me play it for you.
Happiness is a gentle peace that fills the soul. It's the joy that makes.
Very nice. Now in the same one, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to change it to female one, and I will also increase the temperature just to see how expressive it becomes. So I'm just going to maybe say it 7, very high, and then for this I'll just go with female one. Let me run it again. While it runs, let me also show you the VRAM consumption. So you see it is just under 3 GB of VRAM it is consuming, which should easily even fit on your CPU. Okay, so I think it already has generated it, which is quite good. Let me play it.
Happiness is a gentle peace that fills the soul. It's the joy that makes.
Okay, I think it, I'm not sure if I ran it. Let me run it again. Let's wait. So there was a typo there. So because I just had put 7 instead of 0.7, because the value should be between 0 and 1 for randomness. So it has now generated. Let me scroll down, and now let me play it out for you.
Happiness is a gentle peace that fills the soul. It's the joy that makes life's beauty.
You see, there was a stress on joy, so it is more expressive when the temperature is higher. And now let me show you how you can do the multilingual. So for example, you want to go with Japanese. All you need to do is to replace this en with ja for Japanese in model config, and then come down and give your Japanese text here and run it, and it is going to produce this Japanese audio. Let me play it.
幸せとは心を満たさてくれる優しい溢れです。
Looks quite good to me. If you're a Japanese speaker, please also confirm if the pronunciation and everything is correct. I think it is. I just used Google Translate for this. But anyway, as always, just a smallish model, and so impressed by it. The footprint is so low, and the installation is quite easy. Perfect stuff, and within 2 weeks, another version. How good is that? So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.